What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something incredibly important and potentially life-saving to share with you. Today we're doing something different, showcasing 17 products that could literally save your life in an emergency. These are not just any products, they are carefully selected to help you survive unexpected situations. We're talking natural disasters, power outages, getting lost, stuff you never expect until it happens. Imagine being caught in a severe storm or finding yourself lost in the wilderness. These products can make all the difference. We'll unbox each item, show you how it works, and explain why you need it in your home, car, or go bag. Each product has been tested for reliability and effectiveness. Being prepared isn't just for preppers, it's for everyone. Whether you live in the city or the countryside, emergencies can happen anywhere, anytime. The right gear can turn a disaster into a minor inconvenience. Imagine having a flashlight during a blackout or a first aid kit when someone gets hurt. These tools can provide peace of mind. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could be more valuable than all these items combined. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's jump into the first life-saving product. Get ready to be amazed by how these simple tools can make a huge difference in critical situations. First up, clean water. In any survival scenario, access to safe drinking water is absolutely essential. Without it, your chances of making it through even a few days drop dramatically. But what if you could guarantee clean water no matter where you are? This emergency water filter is a game changer. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it's designed for any situation. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing an unexpected emergency, it removes 99.9999% of bacteria, turning even muddy puddle water into safe drinking water. Harmful contaminants, parasites, and microplastics are filtered out so you can trust every sip. You can drink straight from a stream or attach it to a water bottle. Its versatile design means you're never limited by your environment. Just find a water source and you're set. Dehydration is a top killer in survival situations. This filter is your best defense. It's a lifesaver for hikers, travelers, and anyone preparing for the unexpected. For less than the price of a video game, you get thousands of gallons of clean water. That's peace of mind and real value, all in one small package. Put one in your kit, car, or backpack, no excuses. With this filter, you'll always be ready to stay hydrated, healthy, and safe wherever life takes you. Number 2, a real first aid kit, not just a few band-aids. Emergencies can overwhelm services. You might be your own first responder. A good kit has bandages, antiseptics, trauma shears, tourniquets, and more. Immediate care prevents small injuries from becoming life-threatening. Keep one at home and in your car. You'll be glad you did. Don't skimp. Quality supplies can save your life. Next, a portable phone charger, your lifeline when the power's out. This power bank can charge your phone multiple times, keeping you connected for days. Some even have solar panels for unlimited power. In a crisis, information and communication are everything. Don't let your phone become a useless brick. Everyone should have one, no exceptions. When the lights go out, you need a reliable flashlight or headlamp. Navigating in darkness is dangerous. Trips and falls can turn minor issues into emergencies. Headlamps are especially useful since they free up your hands. Don't rely on your phone's flashlight, it drains your battery fast. Get a durable, bright light and keep it accessible. We'll show you the difference in a blackout challenge later. Light is safety. Don't be caught without it. This is an emergency blanket. Ultra thin, reflects up to 90% of your body heat. If you're stranded in the cold, hypothermia is a real threat. These blankets are compact, lightweight, and can save your life by trapping warmth. Keep several in your car or bag, they weigh almost nothing. We'll test one in a freezer to show the difference. For a few bucks, it's a must-have. The multi-tool, your pocket-sized toolbox. It's got pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and more, over 20 tools in one. Perfect for repairs, opening cans, or emergencies like cutting a seatbelt. Stainless steel means it's tough and reliable. We'll put it through real challenges to show its versatility. Keep one in your car and kit. It's the ultimate problem solver. Fire is survival. Warmth, water purification, cooking, signaling. A ferro rod fire starter works in any weather and never runs out of fuel. Just scrape it for a shower of sparks. Thousands of uses. We'll test it in wind and rain to prove its reliability. Fire boosts morale and keeps you alive. Learn to use one. It's an essential skill. Don't rely on lighters alone. The emergency whistle. Tiny, but a lifesaver. Yelling for help is exhausting. A whistle is loud, effortless, and cuts through noise. Over 120 decibels. Rescuers will hear you when your voice can't reach. We'll test its range in a warehouse challenge. Attach one to your keys or bag. Cheap, light, and effective. No reason not to have one. It could be your voice when you need it most. Food runs out fast in disasters. Non-perishable food is essential. Emergency bars, freeze-dried meals, and MREs last for years and provide vital calories. A 3-day supply is the minimum. A week is better. We'll taste test a 25-year-old meal on camera. Hot food boosts morale and keeps you strong. Don't rely on grocery stores. Be ready. Stock up before you need it. Personal alarm. Pull the pin and it blasts a siren to scare off attackers and attract help. Great for students, joggers, or anyone walking alone. Some have strobe lights for extra attention. We'll demo how loud it is in a parking lot. Small, affordable, and non-violent. Peace of mind in your pocket. Put it on your keychain. It's a simple way to stay safer. Air quality can turn deadly. Wildfires, dust, or disease outbreaks. N95 masks filter out 95% of airborne particles, protecting your lungs. Essential after disasters or during pandemics. We'll demo the difference in a smoke-filled chamber. Keep a box in your kit. Simple, effective protection. Don't take clean air for granted. Duct tape, legendary for a reason. Fix leaks, splint injuries, patch gear, even build a makeshift boat. Its uses are endless. Improvisation is survival. We'll test its strength by building a cardboard boat. Wrap some around a pen to save space. Cheap, light, and invaluable. You'll thank yourself for packing it. Waterproof matches fire when lighters and regular matches fail. They burn after being soaked and in strong wind. Store them in a waterproof container for emergencies. We'll dunk and light them next to a fan to prove it. Always have multiple fire starting methods. Redundancy saves lives. Don't get caught without a backup. When phones and internet are down, an emergency radio is your info lifeline. Battery, solar, and hand crank options mean you'll always get updates. NOAA weather bands give real-time alerts for disasters. We'll crank it and see how long it plays. Reliable info can save your life. Don't rely on tech that needs power. Old-school radio is a must. Spare batteries. Don't let your gear die when you need it most. Stock up on every size your devices use and keep them fresh. Store them in waterproof containers. Rotate them regularly. Dead batteries are useless. We'll test how long flashlights last on one set. Power is survival. Plan ahead. Paracord. Light, strong, and endlessly useful. Holds up to 550 pounds, and the inner strands can be used for fishing, sewing, or repairs. Build shelters, secure gear, or make splints. We'll test its strength with a hanging challenge. Keep 100 feet in your kit. It's cheap, compact, and a survival essential. Don't leave home without it. Emergency cash. When cards and apps don't work, cash is king. ATMs and card readers fail in power outages. Keep small bills in a waterproof bag at home and in your car. We'll demo a scenario where only cash works. Don't get caught unable to buy essentials. A few $100s can make all the difference. Plan ahead. Cash is survival currency. That's 17 life-saving products, each one designed to help you in a different emergency, from power outages to getting lost in the wild. But even with all this gear, there's something even more crucial than any tool or gadget you can buy. The most important tool is your knowledge. Knowing what to do, when to do it, and how to stay calm can make all the difference in a crisis. You can have the best equipment in the world, but if you don't know how to use it, it won't help you. Go through your home and car. Take a careful look at what you already have on hand. Check every closet, drawer, and compartment. You might be surprised by what's already there and what you still need. Make a checklist of emergency items and see what you're missing. Start small. You don't have to buy everything at once. Building your kit over time is perfectly okay. Add 1 or 2 items at a time, focusing on the essentials first, like water, food, and first aid supplies. Every little addition makes you more prepared. If this helped, hit like and subscribe so you never miss another tip that could keep you and your loved ones safe. And tell us your must-have survival item in the comments. Sharing your ideas helps everyone in our community get better prepared. Here's your bonus tip. Take a first aid class, learn basic survival skills, and practice them regularly. Skills like CPR, wound care, and fire starting can save lives when seconds count. Make a plan with your family. Talk through different scenarios, assign roles, and make sure everyone knows what to do if disaster strikes. Know where your supplies are stored and keep them organized and easy to reach. In an emergency, you won't have time to search for what you need. Practice using your gear before you need it. Test your flashlight, try out your water filter, and make sure everyone in your household knows how to use each item. Gear is great, but knowledge and planning save lives. Preparation isn't just about stuff, it's about being ready in your mind and with your skills. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, preparation is power. Thanks for watching, and keep building your skills and confidence every day.